Joining me right now is Sunita Handa from Protect.ai. Sunita, I'd like to know from you, do you think Indian PSUs are on the right track towards their digital transformation journey?
Absolutely. It's really heartening to say that PSU and government organizations, they are not behind any enterprise when it comes to digitalization. In fact, our Digital India mission, it has a lot of things, a lot of participation of PSU and government departments. There are citizen apps, apps for citizen, government to citizen, government to businesses, so all kinds of things. And then the way it is picking up, it's extremely gratifying, and it we are really proud of it. Yeah.
Uh, Ma'am, what do you think are the biggest challenges faced by Indian PSUs in this digital transformation journey?
See, the biggest challenge is one is of course the shortage of skilled people, and second, which is becoming a headache now, is cyber security risks. So we are at that juncture where cyber attackers, they are evolving, and they are getting more and more sophisticated, in their attacks with each passing day. And that challenge, of course, see, challenge comes for various things, like when they have a mobile app, say the government has a mobile app for citizens. Now the citizens complain that they have been approached by cyber attackers through phishing, through wishing calls, etc. Then there are data breach incidents. There's so many things, there are malware incidents. So many things happening that these become challenges. But then I'm so happy to say that we are meeting all those challenges. PSUs and government, they are making all out efforts. And then we have this organization called Protect.ai. Yes, so it is in cyber security, cyber security, basically. It is taking India towards a Atmanirbhar Bharat, because the kind of solutions, the kind of innovative products it has, so that is really industry first in India. And the way BFSI, government organizations, they have responded to these innovations, is really heartening. So their small attempt here. Meet my colleague here.
Namaskar.
So these are our pillars. I mean, Manish Mimani is the founder CEO. So Protect.ai, within last 3 years, it was born during COVID, and after that products were developed, and now it has become a need of the hour for BFSI, because the way cyber frauds and taking mobile as a surface, or mobile apps as the basis, it is coming up. So it's doing a beautiful job, I should say. Yeah. So anything to
Thank,
say? Okay. Okay.
thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, ma'am. Ma'am, my final question, what do you feel about this initiative by ET government?
Oh wow! See, I'm a regular visitor of your events, and as I mentioned, PSU and governments, they are doing excellent work in India in case of digitalization. So ET has taken a very good initiative, that apart from, you have other ET CISO, ET CIO, etc. But that ET government and ET PSU is very close to my heart. Let me tell you, because without PSU and the government's efforts, Digital India can't have such a they can't show such great results. And you guys are promoting it. Fabulous job you are doing. Thank you very much, and it has been organized very well, let me tell you. And the lunch was also very good.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your words means a lot.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.